Here's a quick video on how to find the mean and standard deviation using Excel. So I'm going to type in mean, and then below it I'm going to type in standard deviation, and next to it we're going to calculate these. So in order to calculate something, you have to use the equal sign, and I'm going to start writing the word average. As you can see, it populates right here, double clicking on average. Now you can highlight the cells. You can, highlight them all if you want to do it that way. Or my preferred method is to grab the first one and go down to the bottom, hold the shift key, and then select the last one. Hit enter, and you can see that, boom, there's the mean. Now if I want standard deviation, same thing. Equals, and start typing in standard deviation. This is the sample, so I'm going to use S as opposed to P, that one. And similar, grab this one, and drag down. Grab the last one. Boom. Enter. Now if you want to find significantly low and significantly high, significantly low, and then say below it significantly high, we know that this is the mean plus or minus 2 standard deviation, so 98.2 minus 2 times the standard deviation, let's say 0.62. Now, if I hit enter, it's not going to calculate it because I did not hit the equals button. So up here, hit equals, and then enter, and there we have that. Now, if I want significantly high, we could drag this cell down and then change it to a plus sign, but I'm just going to say equals 98.2 plus 2 times 0.62, enter. So now you know if you have a temperature of 100 degrees, you're above 2 standard deviations from normal temperature, so you indeed are running a fever. So if you like the content, please subscribe.